I think I'm falling. Oh, I might need someone to lean on.
Can you believe here we are? How crazy, from a hello on a Hinge message to wedding day. Here we are 2 years later. I love you so much, babe. I've been dreaming about marrying you since the day I met.
Connor, I knew from the first day I met you that you were unlike anyone I had ever dated. You brought a sense of calmness to me that was unfamiliar, but a welcomed feeling. As we stand here today, I'm in awe of God's plan and how every letdown before you was only bringing me to you.
I love you like no other, and I can't wait to call you Mrs. Copeland, aka my wife. I promise to do the best I can for you. You are my better half, and I truly couldn't do this without you.
I know there have been days when it would have been easier to walk away, but you chose to stay. Thank you for choosing me again and again every day.
Babe, you look beautiful.
Thank you. You look good too.
Thank you, I appreciate it. I'm shaking. You look good. Turn. Love your dress. You look amazing.
Oh, wow.
It's very sparkly, isn't it?
Very sparkly. Look beautiful.
Thank you. Love you.
For we come together this afternoon in the presence of God to witness the joining together of Connor and Shelby as husband and wife.
I promise to push you and support you. I promise to love and care for you. I promise to pray for you. I promise to put your needs above my own. I promise to stand by you when times are hard and during your biggest successes.
I can't wait for this day with all our friends, and I'm so ready to see you walk down the aisle to take my hand. I love you.
I promise to never stop being adventurous with you. You are my person, and I choose you today and will continue to choose you every day after.
I promise to love you through all our ups and downs, because even the downs don't hold a candle to how much I love you at the end of the day.
I promise to love you more with each day that passes. I promise to never stop dating you and learning you. These have been the best years together, and I look forward to seeing our journey unfold. Let's grow old together. Love you forever, Shelby.
Connor, you may kiss your bride.
If you'll join me in welcoming Mr. and Mrs. Connor Copeland.